Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix you're only able to hear audio from one monitor if you have two monitors set up. So let's just say you have like a dual monitor mount or something, and you can only hear from one monitor, and how to basically fix that. So all you have to do is head over to settings. From settings, make your way over to system, and then from system make your way down to sound. Now from sound, what you basically want to do is you want to choose where to play sound, and you don't want to choose like one monitor. You want to choose the headphones that you're using, because once you choose the headphones that you're using, it'll basically go to like everything. Like it'll go to both monitors. If you choose only one specific monitor, it might only be you'll only be able to hear like something for that one monitor. So just choose the headphones that are for with your account, and then everything should be good. And yeah, that is it for the video. That is it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.